Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a candy corn Pusheen, so let's get started. To draw this cute Pusheen, we're going to first start by drawing the top of her head. So right here I'm going to go and draw a soft curve, just short little curve for the center, and then we're going to go up for her ears. So let's go up right here, and about right here we're going to round it off for the tip and come down to draw the ears. So same thing over on this side. So I'm just going to drag a point across, it's approximately the same height, and round off the tip and bring it down. So we have the top of Pusheen's head in. Now let's go ahead and draw the body. So I'm going to bring this curve all the way down. And so this is going to be a really long curve all the way. And let's keep going. This nice round shape, ovalish. And about right there, I'm going to start to bring it in. So it all depends on how chubby or tall you want your Pusheen to be, and then you can start to bring it in. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect it at the bottom. Nice and round. There. So that's the basic shape that you're trying to draw. And so then from there, let's come back to the top and we're going to draw the stripes on Pusheen. So there's 3 of them. So the center, I'm going to start at the center. So it's going to be nice and even. And the 2 on the side. There. And then let's see here. Let's come to the bottom of this stripe, right down to the center. Say about right here. Just give myself a point, and from here I'm going to draw 2 curves that come out for the mouth and nose area. And then let's come to the side of this. About this area, I'm going to draw a circle. Same thing on the other side. So about right here. And I'm going to come in here with a small highlight on the side and shade the rest in. And same thing over here. Okay, so then let's come over to the side and we're going to draw her whisker. So say about right here where the eye is, I'm going to pop out 2 curves. Same thing on this side. 1 and 2. Okay, so then from there, let's come to about this area and we're going to draw her hand. So I'll start right under this eye, say about right here. And I'm just going to draw a curve for a paw and bring it in. So same thing right under this eye in this area, so about right here. And bring it in. 2 little paws in, and then now the feet, right kind of underneath her eye again. It's about this area. Just going to draw a curve. It's kind of like an upside down U. So about right here. And that's pretty much it for this Pusheen drawing. Oh, except I had to add a little bow right here. So if you want to add a bow, go ahead and draw a circle right in the center and then draw 2 loops. Just to make it extra cute and give Pusheen as a candy corn here with a little bow. There. And I'm just going to forget to add a little curve above each eye. And so then we're pretty much done with the drawing part. Let's go ahead and color. And when we color it, we're going to separate it into the 3 different colors for our candy corn. So there, hope you love watching me draw and color Pusheen as a candy corn, and it inspires you to draw it too. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.